Hello. Welcome to the M7. Here we bring the best brands for you after research, so that you can make a smart purchasing decision. Today we presents the 5 best ice cream makers to buy in 2021. Before diving into today's product list, don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. If you want to check further, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started. On top of our list, in first place we have the Cuisinart ice cream maker. The classic Cuisinart Pure Indulgence makes up to 2 quarts of perfectly thick, velvety smooth ice cream or sorbet in about 45 minutes. Drop fruit or candy down the top and the machine will mix it all together. No matter what you're craving, ice cream, gelato, sorbet, or custard, this little workhorse has you covered. It has a mixing paddle that won't make you open it up and scrape down the sides of the bowl, as you've read a million times before in recipes. It also has a super powerful motor and a double insulated freezer bowl. Both of these features mean ice cream is ready for eating in about 20 minutes. Features: fully automatic frozen yogurt, sorbet, and ice cream maker. Brushed stainless steel housing, heavy-duty motor. Large ingredient spout for adding mix-ins. Moving to the next one of the list. In the second position we have the KitchenAid ice cream maker. If you already own a KitchenAid stand mixer, you already have a great ice cream maker on hand. Just treat yourself to this ice cream making attachment, which includes a mixer bowl that you pre-freeze, a dasher, and a device to turn the dasher. It whipped up the smoothest ice cream in our test, though it struggled with sorbet. This attachment uses the power of your KitchenAid and doesn't require you to learn how to use any fancy new equipment if you're already comfortable with the mixer. All you have to do is freeze the bowl, attach it to the mixer, pour in your ingredients, and let it churn for about 30 minutes. Features: dasher rotates inside the bowl to spread, scrape and mix thoroughly. Easy to clean with warm soapy water. Dishwasher safe dasher, drive assembly, and adapter ring. Hand wash freeze bowl. Coming up next. In third place we have the Winter automatic ice cream maker. This all-star machine comes from a brand known for its refrigeration and air conditioning products. It doesn't require any pre-freezing or salt to start making ice cream, and it's a quiet compressor model, so it does most of the work on its own. Plus, these types of ice cream machines can produce another batch right after you finish making the first. When an ice cream maker is built by a brand known for its air conditioners and refrigerators, you know you're getting a cool product. This machine from Winter doesn't require waiting a day for the bowl to freeze or adding salt to create the texture we're after. Instead, its quiet compressor does all the churning and freezing internally, though at a higher investment than other electric machines. The upside is that it's instantly ready to make another batch of ice cream as soon as it's done. Features: reliable built-in audible timer. Stainless steel housing. LCD timer control. Now moving to the number 4. Breville Smart Scoop Ice Cream Maker. Breville's Smart Scoop is packed with special features, including a backlit LED display, a self-refrigerating compressor that brings the ingredients to a below-freezing temperature, and a keep cool setting. It also boasts 12 hardness settings. It's a pricier pick, so it's best for people who are serious about making ice cream. It has a compressor, so it's meaning the space it takes up on your counter is all it will ever occupy. Plus, the lid, spatula, bowl paddle, and cleaning brush are all dishwasher safe. Features: automatic hardness settings, pre-cool functionality, BPA-free material. In the 5th position we have the Chef-N Sweet Spot Ice Cream Maker. If you have little ones who love to get involved in the kitchen, this fun gadget is a great way to introduce them to homemade treats. Freeze the dish for 24 hours, add the batter, and then mix in toppings, a la Cold Stone Creamery. Or you can take it up a notch with rolled ice cream. The flat plate is perfect for recreating the classic Thai dessert at home. As the ice cream hardens, just use the scraper to roll the mixture. We recommend the Chef-N Sweet Spot for those who want dessert ready ASAP. To prep, just pop it in the freezer overnight, then pour your base onto the surface, working the mixture until ice cream forms. Features: multifunctional, quick to clean, Fast freeze technology creates ice cream in minutes. Thanks for being with M7 throughout this video. We hope that you have already made up your mind for the right best ice cream makers. Do comment if you have any query, and don't forget to share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.